IELTS vocabulary boost, mastering the word acknowledge. Mastering essential vocabulary is crucial for achieving a high band score in IELTS. Today, we're focusing on a word that can significantly enhance your speaking and writing skills: acknowledge. Word type: acknowledge is primarily used as a verb. Meaning: to acknowledge means to accept or admit the truth or existence of something. It can also mean to recognize the importance or quality of someone or something, or to show that you have noticed someone or something. Word history: the word acknowledge comes from the Middle English word agnoen, which is a combination of the prefix "ac" meaning to and the word noen meaning to know. Antonyms: some antonyms for acknowledge include deny, ignore, and reject. Synonyms: synonyms for acknowledge include admit, accept, recognize, and confess. Examples used in sentences. Here are 3 examples of how to use acknowledge in sentences. First, it's important to acknowledge your mistakes in order to learn from them. Second, the company publicly acknowledged the data breach and promised to improve security measures. Third, she nodded to acknowledge his presence before continuing her conversation. Common errors in use. One common error when using acknowledge is confusing it with the word recognize. While these words can be synonymous in some contexts, acknowledge often implies accepting or admitting something, while recognize can simply mean to identify. Another mistake is using acknowledge when agree would be more appropriate. For example, saying "I acknowledge with your opinion" is incorrect. Instead, you should say "I agree with your opinion." To boost your IELTS score, practice using acknowledge in your speaking and writing tasks. Remember its various meanings and try to incorporate it naturally in your responses. By mastering words like acknowledge, you'll be well on your way to achieving that desired band score of 6.5 or higher.